My fans, another of my icicle. My banana. Is ready to be harvested, so stick with me as I harvest it. The first one we harvested. So let's go. Now in this video I want to show us how you can harvest the banana or plantain. Most people will do it like this, but no, this is how to harvest it. You don't cut it completely like this. It's wrong, because it might fall on the ground and then spoil. But this is how to harvest it. Very easy. You put your machete, your cutlass, slow and steady. For example, you don't cut it like this. You make it easy, like something like this. You see? Then you come slowly. Then you grab it. You don't cut it completely. Then when it's down like this, don't forget, you don't cut it completely like this. Now, you see, it's small, but it's okay. So that is how to harvest, be it your banana or be it your plantain. You don't chop it off completely. So after that, you now come back to chop this guy off. You come back to chop this guy off. In that first video, I showed us that to know a banana stem, it is often white. So you can see it's often white. So you chop it off completely then. Make sure you chop everything off. You see? So if you have found and you've stayed to the end of this video, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.